Today we're diving into the word lummox. What does it mean? Simply put, a lummox is a person who is awkward or clumsy. Imagine someone who moves a little slowly, maybe bumps into things, or is a bit goofy. That's a lummox. Originally, lummox is an old-fashioned word, and it probably comes from the idea of a lumbering ox, meaning someone big and slow. People might call a close friend a lummox in a teasing or affectionate way, but it can sound rude if said the wrong way. If you want to use similar words, some great synonyms include klutz, oaf, clod, goon, lout. These words all mean someone who is a bit awkward or not very graceful. But remember, they can vary in how strong or funny they sound. So next time you want to describe someone who's a bit of a lovable klutz, you can call them a lummox. It's a fun word to add to your vocabulary. Thanks for watching Thesaurus Thrive. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun word meanings and synonyms.